already ends. We are almost through another very warm and humid day before our changes come. Right now, temperatures already in the lower 80s. Southeast breeze pumping in that heat and the humidity. We're expecting the mid 80s. You know what? It's a great day to head to the beach. The breeze picking up. Feels like temperatures already in the 90s in Hialeah. Upper 80s Pompano Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Miami. We'll only continue to heat up from here. 85 degrees is the high we're forecasting. That could tie a record in Miami, or we could break it. We will stay warm and humid with mostly dry conditions until this front. You can see this moving into parts of the Panhandle, and the southeast moves our way and brings us fall-like weather finally going into the weekend. As the breeze picks up, though, we will elevate the risk of rip currents for beachgoers. Boaters will have advisories as well Saturday and Sunday.